Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to repair a corrupted Access database step by step and recover your data when Access can't fix it. If your Microsoft Access database suddenly won't open, shows error, or the compact and repair tool fails, this video is for you. Access databases can become corrupted for many reasons, like sudden shutdowns, power loss, network issues, or large database size. You may see errors such as unrecognized database format, database is in inconsistent state, missing tables or forms, or compact and repair not working. This is an example of an error that you may see. First, let's try the built-in repair tools. Go to Database Tools and click Compact and Repair Database. Select the database that you want to repair. As you can see, in this case, it doesn't fix the problem. When compact and repair fails, Microsoft Access doesn't offer many other recovery options. If the database is important and you don't have a backup, you need a specialized repair tool. One tool that works well in this situation is Stellar Repair for Access. It is designed to repair corrupted MDB and Access databases, files, and recover tables, queries, forms, reports, and macros. So this is the website stellarinfo.com, and we are on the product page of Access Database Repair, and here you are going to click on free download, and as you can see you can use it for this type of errors. I will leave the link of this software in the video description, you can download it from there. And we are going to open Stellar Repair for Access. Open it. So now we are going to click on Browse, and we're going to select the corrupted database file. And now we're going to click on Repair. As you can see, selected Microsoft Access database has been repaired successfully. The software scans the database and rebuilds damaged components. And after the scan is finished, you can preview all the recovered objects, including tables and records. As you can see, all the data from our database are here. So now we are going to click on Save Database. We are going to choose a location, a new location. We're going to save it on desktop. And we are going to click on OK. And as you can see, the repaired file has been saved successfully. Now we are going to open the repaired database. As you can see, the tables and data are back and the database opens normally again. What I like about this tool is that it works when compact and repair fails, supports both MDB and Access database files. Lets you preview recovered data, preserves the database structure, and is very easy to use. If your Access database is corrupted and nothing else works, this is one of the easiest ways to recover your data. I will leave the download link in the description. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching. Peace out.